everybody, welcome in. In this lesson, I'm going to create the guide plate. So to do that, I need to start with the template that's the inches template. So which is what I have. But let me just close this. I'm gonna go to new. So I want the English standard. I'm gonna go to create here. Then I'm gonna start my 2D sketch on this back plane, this XY plane. And I'm going to use the line tool to start kind of drawing the shape of the outer perimeter. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to come over. This is 5.5. And then it's going to go straight up. That is 2. I'm going to start my line back on this other side here. And this one's going to go straight up by 4. And then I'm going to go over from there over 4.25. Wait, did I make that? Yeah, I made that too big. I'm going to change this to I said 4.25 and it went 5.25. There. And then I'm going to draw a line from this end to that end. Boom. All right, so there's our outer perimeter there. I'm going to finish my sketchy. I'm going to extrude this bad boy. I'm going to extrude it back. And then that's going to be 0.25 inches thick. And then hit OK. And then I'm going to create the features kind of one at a time. So I'm going to start a 2D sketch on this face here. I'm going to draw just a circle up here in this kind of top left corner somewhere. I'm going to dimension this. This is going to be a diameter of 1. And then I need to dimension where the center is located. So from the center point of my circle to this edge, that's 1. From the center to the bottom edge, that is 2.5. So there's our first feature. I'm going to finish that sketch. I want to extrude, cut it, this one, all the way through it. So hit OK. Then I'm going to start another 2D sketch. I'm going to create another circle kind of in the middle lower region, somewhere there. I'm going to add some dimensions on here. This is a diameter of 2. And then I'm going to dimension where the center is located. So from here to here, it shows that's 1.5. 1.5. From here over to the left edge, that is 3. Then I'm going to finish this sketch. I'm going to, so it says it has a boss height of 0.125. So I'm going to extrude this out, which it is, by 0.125. And then I need to just create one more feature of the hole that goes all the way through. So I could either do the hole, which probably would be easier, but I'm gonna just start a sketch on the face here. We're gonna do the circle and just cut it. So circle from this center here out, that's gonna have a diameter of 1. And then I'm gonna finish the sketch. And then I'm gonna extrude it all the way through. I'm gonna extrude cut it through all, bam. So there we go. So there is our guide plate. So what I'm going to click the home. What I like to do is I like to go to view. So my visual style, I like to do shaded with edges and then turn shadows on. For the lighting, I'd like to choose photo booth. And then for the texture here, I'm going to go to smooth ivory, and I'm going to save it as guide plate. Guide plate. There we go. So you could also, like where you see the extrusions here, you could kind of double click on them real slow and just kind of rename these so you know exactly kind of what these are. Because when you come back in later on, you'll see, you know, what is extrusion 2? What is extrusion 3? You're not going to remember. So maybe just kind of label this one as kind of outer perimeter. This one is, you know, circle, upper left, you know, just kind of give them descriptive names if you wanted to. But anyway, that's kind of where we're at. So I hope you learned something. There's our guide plate, and I will see you in the next part or project that we do. All right, peace out.